welcome to this week's episode of Webisode Wednesday. So today we've decided to do something a little bit different and instead show you guys an example of some of the great features in SharePoint that can be easily used in creating your own company intranet. So SharePoint is something we bang on quite a lot about here, so we thought we'd show you just why we love it. So it's actually really easy just to hit create a site and then just type in the name that you want your site to be called. You can add a little description if you like, and then you can definitely choose if you want more of a team aspect or more of a communication aspect in your site as well. You can also add additional members and then they can also make edits as well. So if you want to add some heads that you think will be allowed to add things. Okay, so now on our homepage, one function that I always love to include first is the news section, because it means that everyone can see updates or important information that you want them to see as soon as they log on. So it ensures that it's straight in their eye line. As you can see, adding new sections is really easy. I mean, even I can do it, so it's obviously very user-friendly. And as you can see, like, look how many apps there are. You can really, really customize it exactly how you want, and that's why I love it so much. So another thing you might want is the time. So you've got offices overseas or you've got clients around the world, then you can really add different locations as well. So you can make sure that we're not contacting people at 4 in the morning. So after I've done that, another feature that I really love is the team calendar. You can sync it and make sure that people have note of all the important dates coming up and the meetings coming up. As you can see, I'm just going through other apps. I also like to pop in people profiles. Look, the reason for that is it just means that you can really just hover over someone and you can see their contact details. So if you need to get in contact with someone really quickly, you can just click on their profile, see their email, and then send them a message. Okay, so I'm still not done with my lovely SharePoint site. So I suppose other important things that you may like to add include Microsoft Forms, documents so that people can have quick access to important documents. And I suppose if you'd like to see more about, list, form, SharePoint sites, we do have a whole heap of other webisodes that you can take a look at, and we do run through it a little bit more in detail, but this was really just to show you how dynamic and how easy creating a SharePoint site is and really how useful it is as a company intranet. We use it here and we recommend all our clients use it. So yeah, we do really love it. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully this made SharePoint site seem a little less daunting for you. Hopefully you can implement that into your company as well. Thanks.